Oh, look at this H4nPro, and I didn't have a problem here with my SD card. This one here, it broke apart. It just crashed and is bad. So I need a new card, and what did I buy? This one here. A premium verbatim card with 4 gigabytes. Let me open this up quick. And just for me to see, it does not open easy, so you need to be careful when you open those SD cards. You have to be extremely careful to not damage it when you try to open them. There it is. The smaller you buy, the faster the unit gets. You put like it in here on this side. So I do have here, I removed the door. Just open it and pull on it and rip it out. I can't handle the door in there. So we insert this thing like this, and then I'm going to turn this on. And we take a peek at our display to see what that does. Don't you love it when the display flickers like this? It's a great, great camera. So again, this is what I got here, right? Those verbatim premium cards. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the menu button. Scroll down to SD card here. Click on there and say format. Here, are you sure? Yes. And then we wait for it to do a card format. That takes a minute. As always, the larger your card, the longer it takes. The larger your card, the longer it takes to get the system ready when you start it. It's a pain in the butt. The fastest it is with a 2 gigabyte card, right? A very simple, easy 2 gigabyte card. That's where this thing has an okay performance. Everything bigger is a problem. Now, I was not able to get a 2 gigabyte. This was the smallest I could get on sale. So, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, let's turn this off. Turn it back on and see how long this takes to turn on. Isn't that painful? But yeah, that's how long it is. Now let's do a test recording. I'm going to plug in my microphone here. Microphone 1. I'm going to start the pre-recording to see how this works. Hello, 1, 2, 3 for test. And then we are recording on channel 1. Hello, this is a mono recording on channel 1. And I hope you like the audio quality of this microphone. Thanks for listening to this on my channel. And I hope you're going to subscribe and like this video. Please leave comments with questions you have. Thanks again for watching. Yeah, so that audio I just plugged in. And we see now the card works fine.